We're going to fill out the top two properties for our exponent foldable. First property that we learned was product of powers, which stated that x to the a times x to the b equals x to the a plus b. Then when we're multiplying with the same base, we add the exponents. And then we're going to include an example. And I'm going to include one, and there's room here that there's a potential that you could include a second one if you'd like. We're going to do the example parentheses 2xy close parentheses. And we have another set of parentheses 4x squared y cubed z. All right, and when we multiply this out, first of all, this is all multiplication. It's 2 times x times y times 4 times x squared times y to the third times z. So using the commutative property and associative properties of multiplication, we can just start multiplying this in the order that suits us, which would be 2 times 4 is 8. X times x squared is x cubed. Y times y cubed is y to the fourth. And z. There's our final answer in alphabetical order, fully simplified, using our rule of adding exponents when we're multiplying with the same base. Quotient of powers say that if the top exponent was larger, then we did x to the a minus b. In fact, we now can primarily use this one because if we get a negative integer, we know to fix that with negative exponents. But we could also still use this other one that says if the denominator exponent is larger, then we'll do 1 over x to the b minus a. So we have some choices there. Our example will be p to the 10th, r to the 10th, over p cubed r to the 20th. We'll set up our fraction line. Initially assume that it is a fraction. If it isn't, we can always erase it or put a 1 in the denominator. There's more p's on top. 10 minus 3 is 7. And there's more r's in the denominator. And 20 minus 10 is 10. And that's fully simplified. And p and r are different bases, so we can't subtract these. And again, you have some room here that you could find another example if you'd like from the lesson or the homeworks. And you have some room over here that you could also find another example from the lessons and or homeworks for product of powers.